Hello guys, this is Nikita Choudhury once again back with ParentCircle. You all know my page Growing Again with Your Child, and today I'm gonna teach you all a very interesting and cute card for New Year. So stay tuned and grab your art supplies, very few will be needed. So all we're gonna need is papers, one colorful sheet, one white paper, crayons, sketch pen, fevicol, pencil and a scissor. That's it. So let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to draw a boy or a girl. You can draw whatever you are. If you're a boy, draw a boy. If you're a girl, please draw a girl. Try to keep the figure in symmetry shape because we'll be cutting it. So let's start. Just a normal simple hand drawing of a figure. I have tried to measure and keep the little portion as a square and the head as a circle and two hands. Simple. So it's a very simple drawing which you all can do. You can take help of your parents if needed. And we are done with this drawing. Just give this figure some hairs, a cool eye, nose, lips, smile, and give a hairstyle of your choice. See, my boy looks like this. Once I have drawn, it looks like this. So it's a boy, and I have given the boy's t-shirt a small heart shape. So now we are gonna color our figure. So for t-shirt, I am using yellow. Use bright colors so that the cutout looks very attractive. For the t-shirt, I am coloring it yellow. For the heart, I'll be using a red color so that it looks very vibrant. And so I have colored it and also cut it. If you're not good with scissor skill, please ask your parents to help in cutting the figure. If you're drawing a girl, make long hairs. Just make long hairs. Try to make the figure symmetrical as in equal from both sides, so that when we fold it like this, it can get easily folded. See, I'm like holding this and folding it in half. Simply folding it in half, not doing anything, just folded the figure in half. You can see this. Okay, now this is my A4 sheet. I am gonna fold this also into half. And now I will be sticking these arms. Wait. Okay, what I'm gonna do is just apply fevicol only in the hands, nowhere else. Okay, you only have to stick the hand to the base. The rest will come like a perfect fold only, so that it can give this card a 3D look. Now place it in between and stick the hands. So my hands are stuck properly, and see, if I close the card, it's like a pop-up and it can get closed. Okay, it can get closed. Once I am open, it's like this. So see it like this. It can close and it can open. So it's a hug card which you can give your friend or parents. And what I'm gonna do is, you can decorate here with stickers, and so write your message here. I'm writing I love you very much, and on the front of the card I'll be writing this new year I am sending you something very special. So when the person opens and sees a hug, he or she is very happy. A warm hug. And to decorate it, I'm just using, small stars, just putting dots of fevicols here and there, and I'm gonna stick this stars here to give it a vibrant look. You can use stickers or anything, any decorative material you have at home. So I'm just adding small stars. To give it Christmas vibes. You can add anything you like, add hearts, add, if you have nothing, draw colorful hearts. If you have dot stickers, you can use them also. If you have glitter, make circles or stars or heart shapes with glitter so that you can add a bright touch to your card. And see, I'm done. I'm done with this cute hug card. Okay, so here is your pop-up cute hug card, which is ready with a warm smile to be gifted to your friend.